Hi fam, it's Maureen shooting. My overall experience during the internship honestly was a phenomenal one. I would not lie. I learned a lot of things about myself and about the career that I've decided to pursue. Simpleton has been an amazing ground for, growing, learning, and in the space of 3 months, I've learned and done so much. Honestly, it's been great.
In terms of valuable skills, I have learned how to interact better. I've learned how to understand the client's needs, and I've also learned how to communicate whenever there's a form of confusion of any kind. And all these have helped me in a way that I can now get a kind of visual on what is expected of me and of the project. And I can now put it down in a plan and step by step execute everything as needed and as required by the user.